Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a job opportunity. Cyient is hiring for a national level coding challenge. This is for 2025 and before pass out year candidates. The experience needed is 3 months to 3 years and the eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA candidates are eligible to apply and the job roles include AI engineer, data engineer, ML engineer, cloud engineer, penetration tester, secure developer and quality engineer. And the locations are Bangalore and Hyderabad. The process has online test and one face-to-face interview. If you know Python, Java, cloud, AI, data or cybersecurity, this is a great chance for you to apply for this opportunity. In order to register for this challenge, just click on register now. After clicking on register now, you will be redirected to a login page in HackerEarth platform. Here, log in with your credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to a registration form. You will be getting this registration form. Fill out the details carefully. Here you will be getting a preferred role. Here you can select whatever role you are interested in. Just select the role and click on register for this challenge. After successfully registering, you will getting an email from the HackerEarth platform that you have successfully registered for this contest. So please don't miss opportunity. Follow me for more job updates. Thank you.